Shifting aircraft maintenance from time-based strategies towards a condition-based strategy is not an easy task. Stakeholders such as airlines, manufacturers, OEMs, and regulators need to fully understand how this new paradigm will impact the maintenance process, particularly in terms of safety and efficiency. ReMAP executes 3 steps for a comprehensive assessment. Identification of potential hazards and safety barriers associated with CBM technologies in aviation. Evaluation and quantification of the safety of these technologies. Provision of recommendations to pave the way towards the operational use of CBM. ReMAP partners analysed aircraft component condition monitoring normative documents, past investigation reports, and discussed with maintenance practitioners in order to identify potential hazards and safety barriers associated with the deployment of CBM strategies. This analysis resulted in a publicly available guide that can support MRO, OEMs, and regulatory bodies in their understanding of CBM technologies. In order to assess the performance of the proposed solutions, ReMAP partners built a model of aircraft maintenance that considers interactions between human and machines during aircraft maintenance, dynamic operation of aircraft, the degradation data of aircraft components collected by the fleet of aircraft in operation, maintenance tasks such as inspection, replacement, and condition monitoring, and maintenance decision-making considering all these elements. Through this model, we simulate the proposed maintenance solutions and evaluate the KPIs showing their socio-economic value and how they perform in terms of safety. The ReMAP model is flexible and extendable. It can be reused for different aircraft systems or other new aircraft CBM strategies. It also provides extensive visualization of complex interactions between human and machines, helping stakeholders to understand the impact of ReMAP CBM solutions in terms of safety and efficiency. It thus allows MROs, OEMs, airlines, and regulatory bodies to test, verify, and assess multiple key performance indicators of different new aircraft CBM strategies, avoiding high expenses of testing aircraft maintenance strategies in a real aviation environment. A case study shows that the new CBM strategy proposed by ReMAP can improve efficiency while maintaining a similar level of reliability. Following the hazards identification and safety assessment, ReMAP will create and disseminate a white paper with recommendations for future CBM regulations. The white paper will promote the definition of common standards for the implementation of CBM strategies in the European aviation and thus accelerate its adoption by industry players such as airlines, IT providers, aircraft manufacturers, and OEMs.